So what is the current state of the U.S. economy? Well, the data presents a complicated picture.
Americans are in a bad mood about the economy. Republicans, Democrats, Independents, they are telling
in an effort to lower inflation. Prices are still high
right now doesn't look particularly
Prices are still higher than they were 2 or 3 years ago.
To be easy, consumers are worried the dip in higher prices will not last, though.
Most Americans can't afford a $1,000 unexpected expense. Can you? But can you afford it without charging the bill on a credit card? With credit card debt at an all-time high, it's easy to see how most families can get in a money crunch very quickly. Isn't it time you quit gambling on your future and take control today? Hi, I'm Mike, one of the Good Guides. Good Guides is a new concept in home and auto protection. We saw an opening in the American market that desperately needed addressing. So we created a service that you will love and get tons of benefits from. You can also share it with others. Get this. People go to your website that we create for you, or they call the phone number that we give you. It rings into our office in Florida. We answer the questions. We close the sales for you. You get paid. I told you I'd be straightforward with you. We're just different around here. Now, we've searched high and low for the best service to make your life easier and save you money. Let me ask you a question. Did you know that 90% of homeowners didn't realize how expensive it would be to own a home? That's 9 out of 10 homeowners who bought a home. In the last 3 years, they told CNBC they were unprepared for the extra cost of maintaining their property. Now, older homes, they're in constant need of maintenance. An AC replacement costs an average of $7,000 according to HomeAdvisor. According to the Federal Reserve report, nearly 40% of U.S. adults do not have enough savings to cover a $400 emergency expense, renters included. But it gets worse. The National Foundation for Credit Counseling reported that nearly 2/3 of Americans would struggle to cover a $1,000 emergency home repair. That's 200 million people. That may be you. It's definitely many of your neighbors, no matter what neighborhood you live in. The reality is, most homeowners are one unexpected repair away from a financial crisis. And don't get me started on the car repairs. It's overwhelming. But you have to sleep somewhere. You have to drive on a daily basis. But with interest rates at a record high, inflation at a 40-year high, with household credit card debt approaching $100,000, the ripple effect on most Americans' budget continues in a downward spiral. So what happens when the AC breaks? Maybe your microwave goes out, or your transmission or engine problems, or worse yet, electronic issues. What do? Most people, they pull out their credit card and go into even more debt. And what they also do is add more stress to their family's bottom line. Look, it doesn't have to be that way. It's time you protect what you don't expect. Good Guides to the rescue. We take the stress out of 2 of your biggest expenses, your home and your auto. We make it easy when something goes wrong. One call, that's all. No more worrying about big deductibles. We don't have those. No more wondering who to call. You can actually quit bugging your neighbor for their mechanic's number. We've got you covered with dealerships or ASE certified service stations. Just call the Good Guides. We're different around here. From home heating, AC, plumbing, electrical systems, to even your appliances, like your water heater, your fridge, oven, stovetop, all the way down to your washer and dryer. One call, that's all. Get peace of mind back when driving. When something happens, we've got you covered. Parts, labor, diagnostic testing, engine, transmission, heating, AC systems, water pump, electrical systems, and those high-tech electronics, and so much more. Peace of mind. We protect what you don't expect. Without our service, you're at the mercy of the dealerships or the service companies when something breaks. With our service, you are in full control. Most importantly, you don't have to pay for our services in full. We have a payment plan, and we don't charge you a dime of interest. It's a no-brainer. Let me walk you through it. We sell a unique service, a product that you'll love, a product that you need, something that simplifies your life and protects your family. Your friends will love it too. One personal experience, and you'll be a believer. You'll be proud to share it. So you post about your experience, your website, and your unique phone number. Yes, a phone number. But before you freak out and think all the calls are going to be ringing to your cell phone, hang tight. Your unique phone number rings directly into our fully staffed office in Florida. That's right. You share your experience. Our trained professionals take the call, close the sale. You share, our site does the selling and explaining. You share, your job's done. Nothing else is required. You've done what you do best. Share online or offline. You share your experience. We do the follow-up. We answer the questions. We close the sale. You get paid. You check your phone. $200 commissions. You check the next day. $200 commissions. Next week, $200 commissions. As the days go by, we'll keep sending you commission notifications to your phone. 200, 200, 200 for each and every personal sale that is made. Remember, you're promoting your website, your phone number. Our trained professionals are hard at work closing leads for you. And it gets better. Your friends and followers may see this video and want to share their experience too. And they can, just like you. You can earn even more bonuses. Imagine unlimited $25 bills over and over for your one-time referral. Our approach is quite simple. We have an extraordinary affiliate program, but we also have additional commissions that you can choose to be a part of that pays on your total group sale. Good Guides has done the hard work for you. We've taken the guesswork away and any excuses you may have. Our first-to-market system allows you to do what you do best. Share with customers and get paid. Share our affiliate concept with other people and get paid even more. We will take care of the rest. So you're wondering, what's the investment? Well, you already locked in your affiliate position that we saved for you on the previous page. So check out our Getting Started video and take action. Now, many of you'll want to purchase our home or auto protection plan for yourself. If you're like me, both. Our plans are customized, so you will want to call your personal VIP phone number, get your questions answered, what's best for you, for your family, and secure your personal product. I want to thank you for your time. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're the Good Guides. Things are different around here.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.